How does tapioca flour differ from other flours in terms of texture and taste?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're delving into the fascinating world of flours, and more specifically, we'll be focusing on tapioca flour. We'll compare it with other common types of flour in terms of texture and taste, and explore why it might be the secret ingredient your recipes have been missing.
What is tapioca flour?
Tapioca flour, also known as tapioca starch, comes from the cassava root, a plant native to South America. This starchy tuber is processed to extract a white, fine powder that we know as tapioca flour. What sets it apart is its neutral taste and ability to provide a unique texture to various dishes.
How does the texture of tapioca flour differ from other flours?
In terms of texture, tapioca flour stands out for its fine, smooth, and silky consistency. When cooked or baked, it gives a chewy texture and glossy appearance to food, something that's hard to achieve with regular wheat flour or even other gluten-free alternatives like rice or almond flour. Tapioca flour is often used to add body to soups, sauces, and gravies, as it acts as a thickener without altering the flavor of the dish. Moreover, it's known for creating an appealing crispy crust and light, airy interior when used in baking.
How does the taste of tapioca flour compare to other flours?
As for taste, tapioca flour is known for its almost neutral flavor. This is quite different from other flours like wheat, almond, or coconut flour, which carry distinctive tastes that can alter the flavor profile of a dish. Tapioca flour's neutrality makes it a versatile ingredient that can easily blend into any recipe without overpowering or altering the intended taste. So, there you have it. Tapioca flour, with its unique texture and neutral taste, offers a world of possibilities for your culinary experiments. Whether you're gluten-free, looking to experiment with new textures in your baking, or simply want a versatile thickener, tapioca flour could be a great addition to your pantry. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we can't wait to see what you'll whip up with tapioca flour in your kitchen. Happy cooking!